Imagine this. It's 2 a.m. and you're lying in bed, staring at the ceiling. Your heart feels heavy because no matter how hard you try, your life feels stuck. The promotion hasn't come. The relationship hasn't appeared. The dreams feel further away than ever. You ask yourself, is this it? Is this all there is? But what if I told you that isn't true? What if you do have the power to wake up in your dream life? Not someday. Not when the stars align. But starting today. Neville Goddard, a quiet visionary of the 20th century, discovered a way to bridge the gap between imagination and reality. It's called the law of assumption, and it's life-changing. Now, here's the thing. Most people mess this up. They do it wrong, get frustrated, and quit, but not you. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break this down in a way that's simple, actionable, and maybe even a little fun. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step method to manifest the life you've always dreamed of. So stick around. Your future self will thank you. The law of assumption is simple. Whatever you believe to be true will become your reality. Sounds easy, right? But think about this. How often do you assume the worst? You get a text that says, "We need to talk," and your brain instantly screams, "It's over!" Or you see someone succeed and assume, "That could never be me." Your assumptions aren't just random thoughts. They're seeds. Whatever you plant grows. If you plant fear and doubt, guess what you'll harvest? But if you plant confidence, abundance, and belief, your life changes. Because here's the deal. The universe doesn't respond to your wishes. It responds to your assumptions. If I handed you a magic wand and said, "You can have anything you want," what would you wish for? Sounds exciting, right? But here's the twist. Most people freeze. They don't know what they want, or worse, they think they don't deserve it. Imagine this. You're drowning in credit card debt, and all you can think about is surviving another month. You assume wealth is for other people, not you. But what if you stopped? What if, instead of just surviving, you defined exactly what thriving looks like? Maybe it's paying off the debt, owning a home, or traveling without worrying about money. Don't let fear or self-doubt shrink your dreams. Write them down. Be bold. Be specific. Because the universe can't deliver what you can't define. Close your eyes. Picture this. You walk into your dream home. Sunlight pours through the windows, the air smells fresh, and every corner feels like it was made just for you. You hear laughter from loved ones, and for the first time you think, "I made it." Or imagine this. You're standing on stage, accepting an award for something you once thought was impossible. The crowd is clapping, your heart is racing, and tears fill your eyes, not from sadness, but from overwhelming gratitude. Can you feel it? That's the power of visualization. Here's the science. When you vividly imagine your dream life, your brain starts to believe it's real. And when your mind believes it, you start acting in ways that make it real. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions align, and suddenly, life begins to shift. You've defined your dream. You've visualized it. But now your current reality feels impossible. How do you assume success when your bank account says $20 or your love life feels like a desert? Start small. Let's say you want to manifest financial freedom. Instead of saying, "I'm broke," start noticing every sign of abundance. Maybe you find $5 in your jacket pocket. Maybe someone buys you coffee. Celebrate it. Acknowledge it. The more you focus on abundance, the more you'll attract it. And yes, it'll feel weird at first. You might think, "Who am I kidding?" But remember this. Your current reality is just a reflection of your past assumptions. Change your assumptions, and your future will change too. Let me tell you a story. There was a man who wanted to start a business. Every night, he visualized success. But by day, he doubted himself, saying, "What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough?" And guess what? His business never took off. Most people fail, not because the law of assumption doesn't work, but because they sabotage it with fear and impatience. They dig up their dreams before they can bloom. Here's the truth. Success isn't instant. It's a journey. And the only way to get there is to persist, especially when it feels like nothing's happening. If you're going to spend your mental energy assuming stuff, why not assume the good stuff? Instead of, "What if my boss hates me?" Try, "What if my boss is secretly planning to promote me?" Or instead of, "What if my crush ghosts me?" Go with, "What if they're practicing their proposal speech?" Same effort, way better vibes. So, here's my question. What are you assuming about your life right now? Are you assuming success, love, abundance, or failure, lack, and loneliness? Because whatever you assume, you're creating. Right now. Don't let fear write your story. Take the pen back. Define your dream. Visualize it. Assume it's already yours. Walk like it, talk like it, be it. And when that little voice of doubt shows up, and it will, just smile and say, "Watch me." And there you have it, my friend. You have the power to create anything you want. So what's it going to be? The same old story or a new chapter? The choice is yours. If you're ready to start, hit that like button, share this video, and comment below. What's the one thing you're ready to manifest? Let's hold each other accountable, because together, we're unstoppable. Before we wrap up, I want to wish you all the best on this exciting journey. Keep believing in yourself, stay persistent, and most importantly, stay tuned for the magic that's about to unfold in your life. If you're looking to dive deeper into the power of your mind and learn some mind control techniques that can amplify your manifesting abilities, I've got a video linked in the description below. Trust me, you'll want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. I'll see you in the next one. Stay powerful, stay confident, and most importantly, stay you.